Hello everyone, I'm back with another interesting question. Let's look at the solution. 7 plus 7 equals 14. Then 14 times 7 equals 98. Finally, we divide. 98 divided by 7 equals 14. If you solve the question this way, you solved it incorrectly. When solving these problems, the order of operations is followed. This rule is called PEMDAS for short. P parentheses. E exponents. M multiplication. D division. A addition. S subtraction. There's an additional rule here. Multiplication and division have no order. They are solved from left to right. Similarly, addition and subtraction have no order. They are solved from left to right. Now let's do the solution again. While I delete the incorrect text, you can like the video and you can write hi in the comments section. The fraction bar here means division. First, we solve the top part. The top part also includes addition and multiplication. We do the first multiplication. 7 times 7 equals 49. 7 plus 49 equals 56. We do the division last. 56 divided by 7 equals 8. Congratulations if you found the answer this way. We've reached the end of our video. Solve the question on the screen. Write your answer in the comments section. Let's see who gets the correct answer. You can subscribe for new videos by clicking the logo on the screen. You can also check out my other videos in the sections on the sidebar. See you in the next video.